Hello, today we are going to see on biomass energy. Biomass is organic material that comes from plants and animals, and it is a renewable source of energy. Biomass contains stored energy from the sun. Plants absorb the sun's energy is in a process called photosynthesis. When biomass is burned, the chemical energy in biomass is released as heat. Biomass can be burned directly or converted to liquid biofuels or biogas that can be burned as fuels. Let us see some examples of biomass and their use for energy. Wood and wood processing waste. These are burned to heat buildings, to produce process heat in industries, and to generate electricity. Agriculture, crops, and waste materials. These are burned as a fuel or converted to liquid biofuels. Food, yard, and wood waste in garbage are burned to generate electricity in power plants or converted to biogas in landfills. Animal manure and human sewage converted to biogas, which can be burned as a fuel. Let us see how biomass is converted to energy. Solid biomass such as wood and garbage can be turned directly to produce heat. Biomass can also be converted into a gas called biogas or into liquid biofuels such as ethanol and biodiesel. These fuels can then be burned for energy. Biogas formed when paper, food scrap, and yard waste decompose in landfills, and it can be produced by processing sewage and animal manure in special vessels called digesters. Ethanol is made from crops such as corn and sugarcane that are fermented to produce fuel ethanol for use in vehicles. Biodiesel is produced from vegetable oils and animal fats and can be used in vehicles and as heating oil. Let us see how much biomass is used for fuel. Biomass fuel provided about 5% of total primary energy used in the United States in 2017. Of that 5%, about 47% was from biofuels, mainly ethanol, 44% from wood and wood-derived biomass, and 10% was from the biomass in municipal waste. The sum of percentages is greater than 100% because of independent rounding. Researchers are trying to develop ways to use more biofuel. Now, let us see some advantages of biofuels. Biomass used as a fuel reduces need for fossil fuel for the production of heat, steam, and electricity for residential, industrial, and agricultural use. Biomass is always available and can be produced as a renewable resource. Biomass fuel from agricultural wastes may be a secondary product that adds value to agricultural crop. Growing biomass crops produce oxygen and use up carbon dioxide. The use of waste materials reduce landfill decomposal and makes more space for everything else. Carbon dioxide, which is released when biomass fuel is burned, is taken by plants. Less money spent on foreign oil. Disadvantages of biomass. Agricultural waste will not be available if the basic crop is no longer grown. Additional work is needed in areas such as harvesting methods. Land used for energy crops may be in demand for other purposes such as farming, conversion, housing, resort, or agricultural use. Some biomass conversion projects are from animal waste and are relatively small and therefore are limited. Research is needed to reduce the cost of production of biomass-based fuels. In some cases, it is a major cause of pollution. These are the advantages and disadvantages of biomass. Thank you.